Have you ever tried a macaron? Hi, it's James here. Today on Blogging Good Food, we are making fancy French cookies macarons. Getting ready. First, let the egg whites sit out for 30 minutes. This makes them fluffer. Separate the whites from the yolks carefully. Crack the egg and gently scoop out the yellow part. Dry stuff. Next, we want our almond flour and sugar to be super fine. If you have a food processor, whisk them up for a bit. No food processors, that's okay. Just sift them a few times. Whipping time. Now grab your mixture and whisk attachments. Beat the egg whites with a pinch of salt until they get foamy. Then slowly sprinkle in sugar while mixing. Keep going until stiff peaks form. The peaks should stand straight up when you hold the bowl upside down. Mixing it up. Time to gently fold the dry ingredients, flour and sugar, into the fluffy egg whites. We call this macarons. Don't worry about counting folds. Just mix until it looks like wet stand. Here's a trick. Pipe a line of butter and see if it makes a figure eight without breaking. If it does, you are golden. Up. Fill a piping bag with the butter and squeeze out small circles on baking sheet lined with parchment paper about 1.5 inches wide is perfect. Then gently tap the baking sheet on the counter to pop any air bubbles. Let the circles rest for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Baking time. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't worry about Celsius for now. Bake the macarons for 17 minutes. Important. Don't open the oven door or the macarons won't rise properly. Let them cool completely on the baking sheet before moving them. Yummy filling. While the macarons cool, let's make a simple filling. Cream softened butter with powdered sugar until smooth. Add a little vanilla extract for flavor. Now pipe a dollop of filling on one macaron shell and sandwich it with another. The hardest part, waiting, these taste best after resting for 24 hours. We know it's tempting to eat them right away, but trust us, waiting makes them even better. Get fancy. Once you are macaron pro, you can have fun. Use different food colors to make them pretty and try different fillings like chocolate or lemon. Macarons might seem tricky, but with these simple steps you can make them yourself, so grab your ingredients and give it a try. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates.